Oh, yes, is this Scott? Yeah. I texted you when you were in Mexico. Yeah, talking about the property on. Yeah, so I work for one of the top agents with Keller Williams out there. Like, are you open to paying a commission? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So, is there a date that would work? It's going to be Joy and potentially one of her colleagues. Do you have time? Maybe tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, for sure. And then what we could do is probably set up I was looking you up on LinkedIn, by the way. Are you still big fan of LinkedIn? I was just looking you up. That sounded pretty cool. Yeah, they would, if they could take a look, and then what they could do is you potentially, yeah, with you and your wife, maybe set up a Zoom call and see if they could help you if you get a buyer for the property. I thought there was or was it app or something I thought I saw on the title? Oh, she's off. Okay, got it. Noted. Yeah, like who'd be the point of contact to take a look, and then yeah, like if it's okay, I could schedule a Zoom call with you and Joy. No. What's your best email? Nice. So are you? Just curious because it can help sometimes. Are those funds? I mean, are you buying another property with that? Or are you going to be using it for a business or anything in particular? Yeah. Well, hey, you and Warren Buffett can't both be wrong. So yeah, liquidity is the. Yep. Yeah. That's what they wanted to go over with you for sure. But yeah, it looks like a lovely home, and I think they'll be able to help you find a buyer. So awesome. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye. Okay. Did you catch any of that?
Yes.
No, that was pretty good. Oh my God. That's amazing, by the way. Wow. Okay, here's what we need to do.
I'm Joy Mullins, and I work with Keller Williams, located at Smith Mountain Lake, Virginia. My biggest fear working with a coach is not having the experience that I need and being able to get those listings and leads. On our first session, we called a FSBO that was listed for $2.5 million, and we're able to get an appointment set up. It was an absentee owner that was in Colorado. However, we were able to get an appointment set up by Zoom. And then the seller agreed to list with me and my operating principal. I can't believe this. I'm so excited. It's just like, I've never had this big of a listing before. And I just feel like I'm ready to go to work. I'm excited about it. And it's amazing. And I can't believe that someone that I never met in person, but by Zoom, is willing to list their property with me. If you're considering going to one of the trainings, just do it. It's wonderful. You won't regret it. While their training's a little unorthodox, it works. There's no doubt about it. Are you ready to get exponential?